Hi guys. Um, One piece of advice that I'd like to give people younger than me is that stand up for what you believe in. It's so important because that is what builds character as you grow up. And no matter what your family, your closest friends say, they don't get to decide your beliefs, your values, and your identity. So stand up for what you believe in.
Hey guys, this is Kaushik Naran. I'm a final year student in Nottingham Trent University. I would say the one guidance for you in general would be don't be too harsh on yourself. Don't ridicule yourself. Try and build your self-respect and avoid how much ever negativity you can, no matter in what form it is. Try and keep your circle. You might have a bigger social circle, that is fine, but try and keep your inner circle strong and small. And always remember, take life easy. Don't take too much tension. Don't pressurize yourself. Keep a happy-go-lucky attitude and keep laughing, keep smiling. All the best, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Zahan Pawar. I'm 23 years old, and the one thing that I would advise someone maybe younger than me, or maybe myself 4 or 5 years back, would be, be interactive. Take part in as many things as you can, and completely devote yourself to whatever you're doing. This will help you to understand what your passion lies towards. Keep trying new things, keep understanding, keep learning new skills. It may be graphic designing, it may be playing the guitar, it may be dance classes, but just make sure you don't leave a lot of things.
Hi guys, my name is Vaishnavi Anhale and I'm currently a freelancer. If there's any one advice that I'd have like to give the younger generation, it would be that you should experiment with your career options. Don't be stuck into expectations of the elder ones. Don't run that rat race, because you're supposed to experiment as much as you want. It's okay if it takes a little extra time, and you need your time and space to invest into the perfect career option you need. And even when you're doing so, you don't really know what is your actual dream job, but it's alright, and take a little extra time and figure out, and always experiment.
Hi, my name is Titus Nadar and I'm 22 years old. One advice I would want to give people younger than me is that it's never too late to follow your passion. I figured out what my passion was in the middle of my engineering degree and knew I would regret it for the rest of my life if I didn't pursue my dream to become a product designer.
Hey, my name is Varun Chauhan. I'm 22 years old and I'm studying at Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication. I'm doing an audiovisual mass communication degree, media communication. It's a filmmaking degree, to cut it short. My advice to somebody out there, an aspirant of any sort, someone younger than me, would probably be, there's a lot of negativity in this world right now, especially right now. Just hang in there, man. If stuff doesn't go your way, just please hang in there. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Everything will work out. Trust me, it will. Just hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck. I guess that's all that matters. But just take care of yourself. There's a lot of pressure on a person at every point in their life. Try and not to bow down to that pressure. Try and not to succumb to it. It's okay if you do, but just hang in there. That's all I have to say. And try and be as level-headed as possible, and try and be as thick-skinned as possible, because you're going to need it. If not at this particular point, maybe later in life, but you have to be that way, man. And take care of yourself. Cheers.